So, all right, this is a standard yacht club room over at the Yacht and Beach Resort. Let me take off my mask here. I want to show you guys what it looks like. We'll start here in the bathroom as you come in the front door. You can see got two sinks, and what's nice about this is that this does slide shut, and unlike some of the other resorts, it does slide all the way, so really nice. I like that. The dark wood is really nice. As you come into the bathroom, you can see love storage space, and of course the H2O, the Disney soap line and mouthwash and everything else. I like the light fixtures, super dark wood. The bathroom is good size, has a nice tile. It is a shower tub, and as you can see, the shower head in there. Go ahead and get the shower head and the other H2O products in the shower. So really nice there. As you come out here, out of the bathroom, you can see, you got the Keurigs here. You can make your coffees in the morning, get ice. And then down here below is the fridge. So really nice. Here's the closet space. You can see a good amount of closet space. Those are our bags there, not Disney's. And then over here, you got your safe and iron and fold-up ironing board, which is pretty cool. So lots of space in here. So if you have a family of 4, I don't think you're going to have to be concerned about space. So you can see here underneath the beds, there's a lot of space. The beds are nice and comfortable, so you can put your luggage right in under there. Has a couch, obviously a really cool TV stand or place to put your clothes. One nice thing about the renovated Disney resorts are the plugs, and they come with USB ports. So get a shot of that, which is really nice because nowadays everything is USBs, and you can have multiple things charging. You can see the enhanced cleaning measures in all of the rooms right now, and that the TV remote comes packaged and it says clean. So I love the photos in here, the nautical theme. I got my Disney Cruise Line shirt on right now. This is a pull-out couch. I won't, if you'll back up, I won't do it, but you can pull this. It folds into another bed. So it is a 5-sleeper. You have your desk space and a menu for the restaurant below. These curtains are so cool. It's constellations, but just the dark blue and gold color. Super cool. And then obviously out here, this is a standard room. It's a little loud. You can get park view rooms and rooms with a boardwalk, but this is a standard view room. So basic room package, and we have this balcony looking out into the courtyard, so come on out here. You come out here, have your coffee, enjoy the construction noise, but just have a look out. Pretty cool. That's the front of the resort to your right. So overall, this is a great resort for families. This is great for whether or not it's 2 people, 4 people, or 5 people on the sleeper. It's really cozy. The nautical theme is just super nice, gives this extra sense of luxury in the rooms. And overall, I think this stay is going to be great. Can't wait to bring more coverage of the yacht club, the dining experiences. This is just the room, but the yacht club is famous for having the best pool on Disney property, Stormalong Bay. So there's just so many great things about the yacht club, including this room. So yeah, definitely worth booking a reservation here at the yacht club.